Cuckoo achoo! I did.
Okay, you guys try and get him to laugh now. Oh, that kind of scared him. Oh, Sammy.
He's like that.
Okay, that's not no screaming now this time. See, look how big his eyes got. He doesn't like the screams. Mama's still here, Zeke. It's okay.
Do it now, Mama.
Zeke. Zeke. Ezekiel, where's Mommy? Sammy, you don't move his head.